This is Mr. Jarvis with Homework Help for February 1st, and we're looking at ratio tables. So we're looking at boxes of modeling clay, $3.50 each. So if we have 1 is $3.50, 2 would be double that, which I think we know is $7. And then $3.50 times 10, we talked today about this. We're just moving the decimal place 1 to the right. So if you move that 1 to the right, it's $35. So double that would be, well, doubling 350 to 350 is 7. Doubling 35 then would be 70, and so forth. So then doubling that again, 20 to 40, 7 plus 7 is 14. Got to have a 0 here. So to get 19, you just do 1 less than 20. The 770 minus $3.50, which is $66.50. And 39 would be 140. You have to figure it out, maybe do a little in your head. So 140 minus, I might go $4 is 136. But and then I took too much away. I took 50 cents too much away to get 136. So I'm thinking of this as, let me erase that. I'm thinking of this as 140. Instead of minus 350, I'm thinking about minus 4. And I could do that in my head a little easier than 350. And I get 136. But I took too much away. I have to put 50 cents back because it's really, I'm subtracting by 350, which would give me then $136. I wrote the wrong thing. $136.50. Can't really see the decimal point. And always put the dollar sign in there. So that would go right in here, $136.50. So let's take a look at another one. Go to the second page. Am I zoomed in too much or something here? Okay. Now we're looking at the tables, and some of these are easy. 36 times 10, 360. So 36 times 5, using the half method, 360, half of that is 180. You guys were kind of figuring. We had to kind of think about that. So what's 36 times 15? Well, you can think of it as 360 plus 180, which gives you 540. 360 times 100 is 3,600. So 360, half of 360 is 180, so half of 3,600 is going to be 1,800. And then they give us this. And I don't know what to do with that. I'm sorry. I don't know the strategy they want you to use. If you think of something more, a parent sees this and they think, oh, well, you're going to look at, here's what they want you to look at. To be honest with you, I don't know. But if you solve it out, you're going to get 52. Okay, so a lot of us are, we couldn't really figure out what they wanted on that. So let's go on to the next problem string here. And so we're kind of looking at dividing now. So 18 is half of 36. We're just kind of going the other way. So that's going to be 2. 36, 72 is double 36. So this one's going to be 4. 18, we get 6 here. 180 divided by 18 is going to be 10. If 180 divided by 18 is 10, let me write 10 better. 1,800 divided by 18 is going to be 100. So here we have, if I have 18 times 100 is 1,800. less 90, 18 100 times. So 1 less 18. So I'm just going to subtract an 18 here. So I said 18 100 times is 1800. This is my strategy. So 1899 times is going to be 1782. Okay. So hopefully you can kind of check on this. So using the half tens, people were sort of frustrated with this. So let's say I have a problem like 80. Here's one, a 3-digit number, 862 times 50. So it's harder for me to do this in my head. So the half 10, so I could double it. I could say 862 times 100 is 86,200. But so 862 times 100 is 86,200. 862 times 50 is half of that. So I'm just going to divide it in half. And you're going to get 43. So, you could just 43,100. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 6 is 3. Half of 2 is 1. I leave it the same. So that would be one way to tend to look at that. Hope that helps with your homework. And have a great day.